Peel paragraph structure. Why am I showing you a picture of a banana? It's because the banana is a great way to remember peel, which is a good recipe for an effective body paragraph. When writing your body paragraph, always follow your plan. If you do not follow a plan, there is a good chance that your essay will lose relevance, and this will negatively affect your score in task response and coherence and cohesion. I recommend planning your body paragraphs using the PEEL structure. PEEL stands for point, explain, expand, link. Let's use the PEEL structure to write the first body paragraph. Remember the plan. Notice how the point and the link are both directly relevant to the essay question. The expansion parts give concrete examples that show the value of museums, which supports the idea that museums should be available to many people.